Hey, what's up everybody? Anthony here, owner of Faithful Home Buyers KC, standing in front of our latest acquisition here off 62nd Street here in Gladstone, Missouri. 3-bedroom, 1-bath, 1-story ranch on a crawl space. Come along guys, let's see what we're gonna do to it, but it won't be much. Here we go. Inside, the seller is leaving everything here, so we're gonna go ahead and demo, remove everything, trash everything, put it by the curb for scrappers. And then anybody who wants to come take this stuff will come take it or throw it away. We're gonna rip up all the carpet, guys. We're gonna do a laminate floor all the way throughout the house. At this price point, I don't think we're gonna entertain it, but we're gonna see what's going on and if we can remove this wall and open up the kitchen and the living room area like we normally do. We'll see. I'm playing with about 21 grand here, material labor, to make this work. We're going to put our fireplace here like we normally do. Come around over here. You can see a small little dining room. We're gonna take out this ceiling fan and we're gonna put a nice little dining room fixture. Here's the kitchen. I'm gonna talk to the team and see what we're gonna do here. Maybe new cabinets, butcher block countertops, herringbone tile, and stainless steel appliances like we normally do. So we'll see. New cover plates, new switches. Garage is over there to the right. It's in good shape. The doors are all in good shape. We're gonna paint the doors accent color, but we will do new doorknobs and hinges to make it look good. Some trim is missing, of course, so we'll trim out what's missing. This bathroom's in great shape. They already put some work to it a couple years ago, and I'm not gonna do anything to it besides change out the light fixture and maybe put in a medicine cabinet and deep clean, but that's about it, man. All the bedrooms are gonna get new ceiling fans. We're gonna peel off this wallpaper. We're gonna prep it pretty good and we're gonna paint. We're gonna add 3-inch baseboard throughout and trim throughout that we're missing. And we'll also throw in new window blinds as well. But we're gonna see what we can do with 21 grand, guys. Selling will be floors and paint and light fixtures and see how we can stretch that dollar. So if you have any issues, questions, or concerns, or ideas on what we should do with our products or how we can save some money, I'd love to hear it. But until then, guys, I love you guys tuning in. Shoot me some emails or questions of what type of content you guys would like to see, and I'll start addressing it. But this should be a quick one, guys. We should close on it here in 2 weeks. Should be a good investment for our private lender, making double-digit returns, and then good investment for the company as well. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you.